Late Cuthbert Graham called the North East the singing land. So there's a lot of music in the house. My dad would sing hundreds of the Robert Burns ballads. He was a Scots soprano. He loved singing. He was singing at the time. Granny would sing some very bawdy songs, which she'd heard growing up in her father's parks in the country. Very bawdy indeed. I didn't know what I was singing until much older. I didn't know why folk were laughing. The old wife sat by the fire, naebody nigh for to spire, naebody nigh but an old tomcat. So she lifted her petticoats higher. The tomcat saw something yacket, for a moose or a rat he did tak it. And he took a spring at the old wife's thing, and fearful he did shack it. Well, she taught me that when I was 5. I mean, I got rhymes for her and all sorts of. Certainly growing up, it was mostly music I was hearing. Although my dad would recite the puddock, and he cut a sappy sucker by Charles Mann.